Yo, alright, so today is September 2nd, 2025. I'm gonna go over today's price action. At the beginning of the day, I did want to go long. The setup came, I didn't take it. Then, midday, or still in the beginning, I wanted to go short. The setup came, I didn't understand it. Then, I took my setup, wasn't the best setup. Alright, so I'm gonna go a quick breakdown of my trading rules. Actually, let me type up my trading rules. Now, let's go to model. Alright, so this is my old plan. Create a whole new plan. Alright, so is this setup. Alright, so this is trading rules. Right? So explanation. So this is where my levels are formed and where I take my trades. Quite a bit of stuff. So here, levels, clean supply resistance level, where price moved away from or cleanly broke. Levels supported by volume or range chart, typically absorption candles. Retest volume from 5-minute time frame and range chart. Direction is set by 20, 25, 50, and 75 range chart. Additional levels can come from the high of day, low of day, gaps, weekly high or low. Stop loss 20 tick or 25 tick. Chart high or low. Okay. Entry, typically a hammer handle at level and volume. And the last part, only trade at supply and resistance level or additional levels, which are these over here at 5. That's basically how it should go. Alright. Alright, so I took one trade today at 11:11. Here was my trade. Yeah, right. It was my trade. So I was looking at the trade. We're gonna look for this question. So level, clean supply resistant level where price moved away from or cleanly broke. Supply resistance level, price moved away from it. Right. It was supported by volume or range chart, typically absorption candle. This was a yellow candle, it's absorption, right? Started here, then price broke down below it, but still everything there, right? Check. Retest volume from 5-minute time frame and range chart. Retest volume. So we got volume coming in, but this is low volume, and we should actually be testing way down here. Turner told me not to enter, but I did. We also had volume here, so this is why I entered. Had a volume right there, right? But this low volume should not have been my entry. It should have been down here where the actual volume was at. Anyways, we did have that. The direction is set by the 20, 25, 50, and 75 range chart. Yes, we had buying, So price, this is where price buy and price goes up in that direction. That's the thing. So that's set. So this is good. This is good. This is good. This not the best. Additional levels, supply support. Stop loss 20 tick or 25 tick. Yep, stop loss was right at the bottom of that tick chart right here. Boom, that's supported. And she's typically a hammer candle. Volume, got it. Only trade supply, so as play as support or resistance levels, got it. So what failed was retest volume from 5-minute time frame and range chart. So the retest should have been down here, and the volume, that's fine, but should have been more volume here. All right. So that trade, not the best. Then we get down here even more, no volume, no volume. Then we get volume, but we get absorption right here. Absorption. Not ready to go yet. It's okay. We can wait for that buy volume to come in. Price push down. Our absorption. Price push down. We can see price pushing down. We see it pushing down. All right. A lot of volume build up. A lot of volume. Price sells. Okay. Now maybe we're selling. Right. This is a key area. This is 6380. Right. Selling here. All right. Bet. Maybe we'll sell off. We sell off. And then no more volume. Price push above, absorbs it, push back down. All right, so basically back somewhat above. All right, prices are now above that. We're very much above now. Do we come back and buy? We don't. Then we get a new buy up here, and then price moves up. So maybe we enter here because now we're reclaiming, right? One thing I got, this price moved up from there. So my trade didn't work out. Didn't have anything to back it up, especially buying wise. So what moved the market today? So I did open. I wanted to go long. Not gonna lie, right? We had a nice little setup here. We had a little buy here. I didn't too much understand it, but we had a strong buy here. Price pushed up, came back down. More buying came in, and then price just basically drove up. And then we had a level here where selling came in. Right, we got this level here. This is the 1-minute level. Selling came in. Boom. You can see the buy. The selling came in. The volume. All right, selling came in here. Maybe enter here. Stop loss there. All right, but we need to clear this buying out here, right? So don't enter yet. This buy needs to be cleared. All right, we wait for the buy to get cleared. Boom, it gets cleared. Right, price close. Volume goes back in, and no, there. Enter. Boom. It's 11. It's 10:39. We got to sell here. We broke this buying here. We're good to go. We're Gucci. Maybe this is the only speed bump, but I think we're Gucci, and bow, price just dropped, right? Until it dropped no more. That would have been a nice trade. This was the setup right here. Right? Cool. So my trade, not the best trade, but that was the best setup there. So now that we know what to look for. So I'm going to add today's trade anyways. Long at demand, long at support. Today it was 11 until 11:15. All right, with MES we only did one 5-minute as always, and 20 tick chart. New York session long -31. 82. So solve 6 points. Do I even have a screenshot of it? No, I don't have a screenshot. I did a video. There. Alright. Entry. My target was this high here, 64.15s. 64.20. Need better 5-minute volume confirmation. Alright, that's it. Let's see how that one went. Alright, so we're down. We're gonna take our time. We're trying to get it to 53,000. So that's it. One trade. Better trades came early, and with the confluence of this chart here. All right. So this is a 1 minute, 5 minute, and it ended up being a 15 minute as well. So that's it. We're done for today. We'll be back tomorrow. Adios.